So if I were to go around over here and go into text and image and add in an image over here on my title. I'm in the title editing mode right now. So I'm just going to go around over here and bring in an image right here. So let's just go around onto image and bring in this particular image right here. So once I do this, you can see that the image has been imported, and let me just go around and resize this and then drag this out right here. The aspect ratio of this image has been tampered with, and it is not the original anymore. Mind that I'm in the title editing mode right here with the text adjustment and all of the options. So now if you want to restore out the image size and the aspect ratio back to its original state, then what you need to do from over here is go to the text menu right here, and then over here you can see image is an option. So if you were to go around and click on restore image aspect ratio, then the aspect ratio will be restored, as you can see right here. So if some picture is distorted, you can simply use this feature. If I were to go around over here on the text right here and then go to, let's say for example, image, and then click on restore image size, then the size will be restored and it is back onto its original state, as you can see right here. And that is how you can restore image size and image aspect ratio within title editor inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.